Good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, good day. My name is Karina Valencia, 33 years old, currently living in Cowes East, Washington Drive, Legazpi City of Albay.
And your marital status?
I'm single.
Do you have kids?
No.
How many siblings do you have?
We are 7. I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters. I'm the eldest.
And tell me about your educational background.
I'm high school graduate.
And why did you not go to college?
I need to work for my siblings and family.
And do you have work experience abroad?
Yes. I work in Kuwait for 4 years as a babysitter or nanny. I take care of 2 young baby girls and I finished contract. And second, I'm ex-abroad in Saudi Riyadh for new couple. I cook and wash and iron and I finished contract.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm an honest and multitasking and loyal person.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I need to help my family and siblings.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I can talk to them in a calm voice and I will ask what they want so they cannot get the tantrums.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hello, good day, my future employer. I can promise to you I can do a multitasking job and honest and loyal person. If you have a children, I can take care of them as my own and have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.